I remember that time when I was so frustrated because I could not click a button using the WebDriver API. I didn't understand what was happening. Everything seemed right until I learned that WebDriver can interact with any elements inside a frame unless the focus is switched to that particular frame. Let's inspect the try button using Firebug. You can see that this button is contained in an iframe and the ID of the iframe is iframe result, which means that if we want to click that button, we will have to switch to that iframe first. So let's see how to implement this using the Selenium WebDriver API. Drag and drop switch to frame.py into Sublime Text. Here we interact with the try button. So the first thing that we need to do is switch focus to the iframe. So I'm going to write driver that switch to that frame and then pass the iframe element to that method. So I'm just going to copy iframe element and paste it here. Let's save the test and let's run it from the terminal. You see that the try button is clicked there. So we have successfully switched focus to the frame.